Hi, ma'am.
Hello, hi.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, am I audible?
Yes, yes, you are now.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. How are you?
All good, ma'am. We're just waiting for Jayesh sir and Ojas sir to join in, and we begin.
Yeah, sure. Yeah.
Well
So
then, ma'am,
yes, meanwhile, oh my God, there are a lot of people who've joined us. Hello. Hi, guys.
to everyone in the audience, we'll take your questions too. You can drop in your questions in the comment box.
Yeah, so there is Hadi who's saying that Rajesh Joyu movie. Um, जोरदार छे. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Gujarati Priyanka Chopra Kinjal. अरे वाह.
Oh, hi, Kinjal Love from California. Lots of love to you too.
Till then, ma'am, we can begin with you. Could you tell us?
Yes, yes, we should.
Could you tell us a little more about your character in the film?
Well, I think as of now, the good thing is, I think the feasible thing is that we talk about the film more than the characters because as the film is titled Dhummas, so Dhummas is a fog, basically. So there is a lot of fog lifting happening in the film. So let's not get into a lot of details with the characters because there are a lot of people I assume right here who might have not watched the film yet, and I don't want to give away anything that they should miss. But okay, कोई के ओके दो के गुजराती बोलो. Okay, fine.
Okay,
Are you
Gujarati.
okay with Gujarati?
Yes, I am okay.
All right, all right, all right. Amazing. સો યસ પણ હું કેરેક્ટરની વાત જો એટલી ખાલી કરીશ કે આ એક બહુ ચેલેન્જિંગ કેરેક્ટર હતું ફોર રિયલ અને યસ ધેટ્સ ઓલ.
થોડું પણ હિન્ટ કાઈ મૂવી માટે કોઈ પ્લોટ તમે
યસ સો આ એક થ્રિલર અને એક સસ્પેન્સ ફિલ્મ છે અને ફિલ્મની અંદર એ વાર્તા કંઈક એવી છે કે રાતના 12 વાગે એક વાત શરૂ થાય છે એક બંગલામાં અને સવારના 4 વાગ્યા સુધી એ વાર્તા પતી જાય છે. એટલે આ એક જ રાતની વાત છે કે રાતના 12 થી સવારના 4 વાગ્યા સુધી આ બંગલામાં શું બને છે. એન્ડ ઓ માય ગોડ, ઓજસ ઇઝ હિયર. હેલો.
Hi, Kinjal. How are you? I thought it was like, what is this? Gosh, you're late by 5 minutes.
No, I'd never do that to you.
The,
By the way,
the
good
train.
morning.
Good, very good evening to the both of you. And yes, but I'll let Kinjal continue the answer that she was giving.
Yes, so આવી એક thriller પ્રકારની વાત છે અને there are a lot of series of a domino of incidents that then happen throughout the film, and yeah, we have less characters in the film, and it is more about the stories. એટલે વધારે situations ની વાત છે characters કરતા. અને I think yeah, over to you, just.
કમ્પ્લીટ થ્રિલર છે જે તમે સસ્પેન્સ ખોલવું નથી જમતા તમે.
Yeah, of course not. We are still not even down with 1 week completely. So, है ना?
ઓજસ સર something you
Unfortunately, has nobody has revealed it yet. A lot of compliments have flown in, but किसी ने अभी तक ये नहीं कहा है कि reveal कर दिया. Like for example, you go watch whatever film and they're like, अरे हाँ end में ये मर जाते हैं या वो मर जाती है ये ऐसा कुछ. It's like तो ऐसा कुछ अभी तक reveal नहीं हुआ है. But that's great. But no, we'll yeah, whatever questions you all have. By the way, congratulations on Meaty Wood 22. More than just films. Huge shout out to Mithibai, which મારું આખું મોસાળ મિઠીબાઈમાં હતું. So congratulations to all of you and for coming up with such a wonderful film festival. I don't know कितने लोग यहाँ पे कुछ जुड़े होंगे किंजल में से, कुछ मुझ में से जुड़े होंगे, लेकिन मिठी बाई के जो जुड़े हैं उन सभी को कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन। हाय आदित्य गढ़वी, कैसे हैं आप?
Thank you so much. Also, I'd like to take a moment and thank everybody at Mittywood for crossing 100 countries and participation of short films. Congratulations to everyone.
100 countries, that is spectacular.
Wow, congratulations.
Wow, wow.
So much. Also, how was your experience on working with each other? कुछ ऐसा behind the scenes आप share करना चाहेंगे हमारी audience के साथ?
What is this, Akash?
I'll let Kinjal go first.
No. I'm just going to say only that much. What is this, Akash? Go ahead. No,
She'll have
tell
to-
more.
She'll have to she'll have to explain that. And I laughed out so hard because every single so the trailer began with her voice. The trailer begins with her saying Akash. So when you post the stories or हम किसी के भी stories देखते हैं, it's like Akash, 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 Akash. But so I hadn't shared the screen with Kinjal before. I have shared the stage with Kinjal before. It was a show that the Comedy Factory had years ago, and it's a night out that we used to do yearly. So तब बहुत सारे कलाकारों को बुलाया था. We had directors, actors, actresses. So Kinjal was there on that stage, but I think that was the only time we had worked together. It wasn't even working on stage. It was just basically us having fun, improv games and so on and so forth. And then comes along the movie, which is also just basically improv games, but on the set. But it was, so I distinctly remember they were looking for an actress to play this role. And if you look at the trailer, it has a very daunting challenge, especially on the girl, on the wife, which is now the trio has been pretty much revealed that there is a husband and a wife, and a third person enters the household. So they needed somebody with that cognizance. और मैंने कहा कि दो ही actresses हैं जो ये कर पाएंगी. मुझे पूछा था, काफी वक्त हो गया इस बात को, तो मुझे पूछा था, and I said, what you've explained and narrated, these are the makers. And they'd ask, आपका तो fixed है, you know, you're the abusive husband that you see in the trailer, but we're still looking for the others. And if you have any suggestions, please do give it. And I said there are only two that can do it, and one of them was Kinjal. The other one, her dates weren't available. So फिर तो वो बात आगे बढ़ी ही नहीं कि भाई उनको पूछा जाए, and if she can move it and whatnot. So they were like, great. And she did wonders. She did wonders in the role that required something. पूरी फिल्म आपने घणीवार के एना खभा पर आके pictures है, तो she has that in this film, and I'm sure it was. You can ask her about how challenging that was. The burden of carrying a 2-hour film on your shoulders. I'm pretty sure it's difficult, but she's excelled at that before also. So that was the experience, and I think shooting together, they were already in the process of reading. Her and Jayesh were sitting with the writers, and they had readings going on. So I joined in a little bit later. By that time, or script changes हो रहे थे, and then ये रखो, वो निकालो, वो तो निकाल ही दो, and वगैरह. And then so eventually on you know what, Mittywood kids, कितना कुछ है जो हम नहीं,
really happy we reveal out so much.
कितना कुछ हम नहीं बोल पाते, but if you'll DM us individually, I think we'll be glad to share it. But and then on the set, I think it was just a few days, but it was an absolute joy to do a character like this, work with her. Jayesh I had extensively worked with, and I continue to do that. जयेश को तो यूजुअली वो जोक्स भी बोले जाते हैं कि जयेश सर की 3-4 रिक्वायरमेंट्स होती है. एक रूम होना चाहिए जिसमें गर्म पानी होना चाहिए, he needs the the heater or whatnot, and Ojas Rawal. Like I'm part of the requirement that he sends out. But it was very fun working with her. I think the most profound memory I have is of a song, when they were doing a song. Mansi Shah has choreographed this song, and she had a team with her, But see, I was like, अरे ये कहाँ ये रोमांस है? I was like, please वो शाहरुख वाला वो शर्ट बटन ये वो शिफॉन विफॉन वो सब नहीं है ना, twirling around with the girl in a park and whatnot. She's like, no, that's exactly what we're doing.
But
I was like,
exactly.
Jesus Christ, please don't make me do this. It's going to be terrible. And Kinjal has done that before, For her, a romantic love song is not a new thing. So that the intimidation is not there. But हमारे लिए तो वणखेड़ेली जमीन હતી આ. એટલે then but she was very kind enough to make it a conducive space. And then I in fact, when the song came out, I couldn't watch. I haven't said this to anybody, so I'm revealing it in Mittywood. I didn't see my own song for I think a good week or at least 10 days. And बस वो जो लोग करते थे, and then I would repost it. But then praise started following in, and I was like, ओ ओके, ये तो इंडस्ट्री से बाहर से तो आ ही रहा है, इंडस्ट्री के अंदर से भी आ रहा है. यूजुअली इंडस्ट्री के अंदर क्या होता है कि अरे आवा काम ना करिए तो आना करता बीजू कहीं धंधो करी ले. But it the praise did come in, and I was like, then I will muster the courage to actually watch it. And then I watched it. I was like, it's not half as bad as I thought it was. But yeah, turned out to be great. But it was a joy. It's fun to have somebody as a co-star who understands the jokes that are between the lines and you don't have to say it. That's the best part. If you do that, then the rest is just formality. So yeah, then you can ask her. I mean, that's my experience with working with a co-actor. Once Jayesh is here, I'll talk about working with him.
Kinjal ma'am, something you would like to say?
Yes, actually, હવે છે ને હું આમ થોડીક I got into the mood of doing this live અને હવે I'm right there. Yes, let's do it because હું straight છે ને એક set ઉપરથી direct આવી અને I was like, અરે યાર મારે live થવાનું છે. So I was, just. But yes, hello everyone, જેટલા પણ લોકો છે બધાને જ hi. અને I have a very much opening in my head now to talk about the film and the song and the co-actors and the performances and the story. Beginning with the experience working with Ojas was that he missed out on a very important point. एक वो important point એમણે એ ના કહ્યો કે so before અમે લોકોએ ધુમ્મસ કરી એના પહેલા અમે બંને બહુ વાતોડિયા પ્રકારના લોકો છીએ અને ક્યાંક હું એટલું જ કહીશ, આનાથી વધારે કઈ નહીં કહું. I promise.
No, go on.
So it was always a pleasure to talk to him. અમે લોકો બહુ જ બધી વાતો કરી શકીએ, બહુ બધા અલગ અલગ મલ્ટિપલ સબ્જેક્ટ્સ પર વાતો કરી શકીએ. અને વાત ક્યાંથી સ્ટાર્ટ થાય અને પછી એ પરોવાથી ક્યાં જઈને લેન્ડ થાય. I mean, so we always had this fun conversation વાળો bond. But when
નાના ફોન કોલ્સ બી હોય, લગભગ કલાકના અને પછી લાંબા પણ હોય.
હા, અને પછી આઈ થિંક મોસ્ટલી એવું જ હતું કે પછી તો એક ટાઈમ પછી એવું થઈ ગયું હતું કે એકબીજાનો કોલ આવવાનો હોય ને તો વી વર ઓલવેઝ પ્રિપેર્ડ કે હવે આ ફોન તો 4 કલાક ચાલશે જ. અને બહુ જ ઓનેસ્ટલી મારા લાઈફમાં એવા બહુ જ ઓછા લોકો છે જેની સાથે હું ફોન પર આટલી બધી લાંબી વાત કરી શકું છું. બીકોઝ મોસ્ટલી એવું જ હોય ક્યાં છે ને કેટલે છે ને ક્યાં મળી અને દેટ્સ ઇટ. બટ યસ, બીકોઝ એ મુંબઈ રહે છે અને કોઈ પત્ર એમને મળ્યો નથી મારો હજી સુધી. પણ એટલે પત્ર વ્યવહાર તો શરૂ ના થઈ શક્યો. સોરી, આઈ એમ જસ્ટ બ્લેબરિંગ અબાઉટ ધ કેમિસ્ટ્રી ઇન બિટવીન હિમ એન્ડ મી. બટ વાય આઈ એમ સેઇંગ ઇટ કે આ જે કેમિસ્ટ્રી હતી, આ જે બોન્ડ હતી, એના લીધે ફિલ્મની અંદર જ્યારે અમે લોકો એકબીજા સાથે કામ કરતા હતા તો ઇટ વોઝ વેરી ઇઝી ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધ ઓરિજિનલ સ્કિન અને કેરેક્ટરની સ્કિન. So as he said, that it is always fun to work with someone who understands what the other person wants to express, because મારા experience પ્રમાણે જે maximum expressions હોય ને એ શબ્દો વગર થતા હોય. It is always in between. અને આઈ થિંક એ કેમિસ્ટ્રી અમારા બંને વચ્ચે આવી વોઝ વેરી ઇલોક્યુલ. એટલે અમે કઈ મહેનત નથી કરી કે યાર આપણા બંને વચ્ચે કેમિસ્ટ્રી, નહીં તો ઘણી બધી વખત એવું પણ થાય કે બે એક્ટર્સ ખુલ્યા ન હોય એકબીજા સાથે. સો the chemistry with him, and for the matter of fact even with More sir, it was very smooth. એટલે એ વાંચતા જ એ આવી ગઈ એવું. અને Yeah, અને of course the song shoot અને અમે લોકો like scorching heat માં અમે લોકો સરસ મજાનું શૂટ કરતા હતા, જેમાં ખાલી એક જ ટાઢક વાળો સીન છે જેની અંદર અમે બંને નાળિયેર પાણી પીએ છીએ. But apart from that, there was no soothing effect. Ahmedabad heat always kills you literally. અને જો ડે ટાઈમમાં સોંગનું શૂટ કરવાનું હોય, as he said, with the chiffon and everything, it becomes a task. But hats off to Mansi, she did a wonderful job.
Yeah.
We also had a deadline to meet because અમને લોકોને અમારી પાસે એક જ દિવસ હતો અને એ લોકેશન હતું જેની અંદર આ બધું જ શૂટ કરવાનું હતું. So yes, and Dhummas છે ને overall for me it has been a team effort from day one. એટલે ઘણી વખત કેવું થાય કે કોઈ ફિલ્મ પરફોર્મર્સની હોય, કોઈ ફિલ્મ ડિરેક્ટરની હોય, કોઈ ફિલ્મ બેકગ્રાઉન્ડની હોય, કોઈ ફિલ્મ એની સ્ટોરી કે એના ડાયલોગ્સની હોય. પણ ધુમ્મસ વોઝ વન ફિલ્મ which was about everything. એટલે અને કોઈ પણ વ્યક્તિએ સેટ ઉપર એવું એટલે it was the attitude on the set was such કે this is our baby, આ મારું કામ છે કે આ મારું કામ નથી સુધી તો અમે પહોંચ્યા જ નતા. It was like how can we make this one of the most remembered film that Gujarati industry could have made. The reason is કે એક thriller નો થ્રિલર બનાવવાનો એક જે રિસ્ક જે અમારા મેકર્સે લીધું હતું એને પૂરું પાડવું હતું અમારે in the most correct and apt way that we could. And yes, as I said, મેં આજે જ એક સ્ટોરી મૂકી છે કે it is always the director's imagination that the entire team on the set has to put into a reality. એટલે એને સામે એવું તમે જે અત્યારે જોઈ રહ્યા છો એને એ મે બી કદાચ અમારા ડિરેક્ટરનું વિઝન ઓલરેડી હશે જે અમને ત્યારે અમને કોઈને નહોતું દેખાતું અને હવે આપણા બધાને દેખાય છે. So yes, I can go on and on with the film because I have been and this film has really been very special to me.
Comments my question છે કે any funny scene you would like to share behind the funny screen.
ત્રણ દિવસ ઓછા પડશે.
ફની સીન કરતા છે ને હું એવું કંઈક એક એવી મેમરી શેર કરું કે આ ફિલ્મ છે ને એવી ઇટ વોઝ વન ઓફ ધોઝ ફ્યુ જ્યારે અમારી લંચ બ્રેક થાય ને તો ઘરેથી બધા ટિફિન લઈને આવતા હતા અને નોટ ધેટ કે ધ પ્રોડક્શન ડીડ નોટ સર્વ ફૂડ, વી વર બ્લેસ્ડ વિથ ધેટ ઓફકોર્સ, પણ પેલું ઘરનું ખાવાનું એટલે બધા પેલું જે સ્કૂલની અંદર કેવું આમ બધા નાસ્તા લઈને આવે ને પછી તમે રિસેસમાં બધા ભેગા થઈને ખાઓ. તો આઈ થિંક અમારા લોકોની એવી કેમિસ્ટ્રી હતી બધાની જ અંદર કે એવરી ડે આફ્ટરનૂન બધા ભેગા થઈ અને એક મોટું ત્યાં જે ટેબલ પર આઈ થિંક જેટલા લોકોએ ફિલ્મ જોઈ છે એક ટેબલ જે સ્ટાર્ટિંગની અંદર વેન આઈ એન્ડ મોરેશ સર હેવ અ ચેઝિંગ સિક્વન્સ વી ટર્ન અરાઉન્ડ એન્ડ રાઉન્ડ ધેટ ટેબલ, એ ટેબલ પર બેસીને અમે બધા જ સાથે જમતા હતા અને એ મેમરી એવી હતી કે કદાચ સ્કૂલ પછી સીધી ધુમ્મસના સેટ પર અનુભવાઈ હતી. એટલે that was I think the gist of or the crux of the team effort that we all had. है ना? बाकी funny तो I think Akash, so my character was nowhere close to the fact who would say like, what is this Akash? I mean, a girl like Niyati, that's my character's name, would never say that to Akash, but it was always like that. મારો એક ડાયલોગ છે ફિલ્મની અંદર જ્યાં હું આકાશને એવું કહું છું કે અને it is in a very serious tone, a very heavy mood કે what is this Akash? And then every time right from the reading જ્યારથી readings ચાલુ થયા ને ત્યારથી જ this was that is why we were laughing on this line from the start. And it was always like હું એમને જોઉં ને એટલે એમને કહું what is this Akash? So there were a lot of our in between punches which are very hard to express it right now right here, but yeah, the a moment me maja aati I think.
I remember one family. Yeah, what is this Akash? Is like it's very hard to now not think of this line when I read, hear, see, watch Kinjal, and it just flashes across my head for no rhyme or reason. Even if I see Kinjal, at a classical concert in a sari and then with a sitar in her hand, the first thing that will come to my mind is what is this Akash? But I have a very funny incident. I remember कुछ बहुत चहेते लोग भी हैं। डायरेक्टर नितिन जी यहाँ पर हैं। नितिन जी कैसे, नमस्कार। बहुत जो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं इंडस्ट्री में से, सभी को नमस्कार। हेलो एवरीबॉडी फ्रॉम किंजल एंड माई सेल्फ। I remember we were shooting a particular sequence. I wish Jayesh was here for this. And we've laughed our hearts out. There was an end sequence. तो पूरी फिल्म में अगर आप ट्रेलर में देखते हैं तो there is, he's in a scruffy look. In the house sequences, हमारा एक second song भी release हुआ था, which had a lot of action sequences in it. You see the guns, you see the blood in that film, in that song. But एक आखिरी sequence हमें shoot करना था. It was on a rooftop, and जहाँ पे him and I have a confrontation. I won't tell you what, but we do have a confrontation, and तो वहाँ पे it is a flashback. So he's not in a scruffy look. So he's clean shaven. Now,
And
girls probably know
he's
this more because girls probably know this more because makeup has an effort that goes into it. There came a time where he walks up to the set. I was already ready for, because वो एक ही scene shoot करना था उस दिन, and we had somebody that he was a person who was doing the makeup for all three lead actors. So किंजल का, मेरा और जयेश जी का वो मेकअप करते थे, and जीतू नाई करके, good dear friend of ours. तो we were shooting this scene जहाँ पे जयेश, we were waiting for Jayesh to come in. तो that was a clean shave day. तो अब clean shave जब कर देते हैं हम, तब you have the entire canvas. Otherwise it was just इतना ही मेकअप बेचारा वो कर पाता था. तो उस दिन पता नहीं, he went all out and he did the entire makeup. Jayesh walks
અને
onto
એ
the
એટલા
set.
બધા દોડા, I cannot hold it.
Usually, मतलब this was like albino Jayesh More walks onto the set with like complete whitewash, and we're all just looking at him. The director Kartavya and Jayesh have been friends also in the past, so we're all looking at him shocked कि ये किस टाइप का मेकअप करवाया तुमने. मतलब एक बस सीमेंट लगाना ही बाकी रह गया, लापी पुट्टी एंड ऑल ऑफ द चूना वूना सब लगा के. थोड़ू વધારે છે ને, મેં કીધું થોડું વધારે છે, क्योंकि रिफ्लेक्टरों जरूर नहीं पड़े, इतना लगा के तुम ये रिफ्लेक्टर नहीं लगेंगे इवनिंग के शॉट में, इतना कौन लगा था. मैं अरे मैं कीधु पहला ने पड़े समझ आज आंखों पूरा कर दिया था. And he's like, थोड़ू कटावी नाको. तो वो कैमरामैन वहां से आके बोले, सर ये क्या है. So then he went there. Thank you Gadvi. And then he got rid of almost, I think, 70% of that makeup. And then he comes back as a normal person. He's like, हाँ okay. जो मेकअप वाले को जो डाला है, अरे तो एक दिन मिला तुझे तो वो पूरा ही तूने जितना था मेकअप का सामान सारा ही वापस तो यूज करने वाले नहीं है, तो पूरा का पूरा ही लगा दो जयेश जी पे. So he was here for that. But yeah.
Yes, and I also remember about one of the incidents કે સેટ ઉપર કેવું હતું ખબર છે કે આમ in between જ્યારે એક ટેક હોય, એક ટેક પતે પછી બીજા ટેકમાં જ્યારે અમે ટ્રાવેલ કરવાનો હોય, તો એ વચ્ચેનો જે ટાઈમ હોય ને એની અંદર આમ સડનલી પેલી નિશાળ છૂટે તો કેવું આમ કે આમ પેલું આમ પાંચમું ધોરણ છૂટે તો કેવા બધા છોકરાઓ સીધા બહાર ભાગે. તો આઈ થિંક એવું છે ને, I wish More sir was again here right now to voice this thought. એટલે આમ કેવું થાય ખબર, થોડીક વારે આમ સડનલી, એટલે you are in your energy, this and that, and he would randomly start like you start dancing. What happened?
ઉસે દોરા પડે ને.
હા, અને એ ડાન્સ ઉપરથી એવું નક્કી થાય કે પાંચમું ધોરણ છૂટ્યું છે આજે, કે સાતમું ધોરણ છૂટ્યું છે, કે નવમું ધોરણ છૂટ્યું છે, કે 11મું ધોરણ છૂટ્યું છે. પણ આમ બહુ બેક ટુ સ્કૂલ વાળી વાઇબ હતી હે ને યાર આપણા સેટ.
Oh yeah. I think it helped to know. I think I knew everybody, be it the writer, director, actors, songwriters, music directors, all of them, except for, I think, even the editors and all. But I think the only one I didn't know was the producers in that manner. So it was very much a friendly school like vibe, as she correctly said, and she's very modest in saying કે ભાઈ ખાવાનું બધા લાવતા હતા. એવું હું લગભગ ખાવાનું લાવતો નતો. I don't stay in Ahmedabad, so I don't really have a place to order it from. What I could do is probably just get it from a restaurant and then bring it to the set. Kinjal was the person who got, she brought so much food she could have fed the entire set that was shooting next door, thanks to her and her mother. So
Guys, lot of fun on set.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Okay. વસ્તુ જે તમને લાગે એક એક્ટરની જિંદગીમાં સૌથી વધારે ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ હોય.
Kinjal, you go first.
So I think first is the observation કે તમે કેટલું observe કરી શકો છો, તમે કેટલું સાંભળી શકો છો, તમે કેટલું
Yeah.
and I think this is about the consuming part. What you બહારથી તમે અંદર શું લો is I think what you observe, what you look at and what you listen to. અને બીજી વસ્તુ એ છે કે the control over the emotions, because you know, it's very easy for all of us in the candid life to just go yay, you know. But like when you are into a specific character, I think the control of the emotions is a very big challenge, because તમારે કેટલું રડવાનું છે, ક્યારે રડવાનું છે, અને so it is all about controlling the emotions. And along with that, it is not only limited to you know, the real life. So there are a lot of things that might happen, like good or bad things that might happen parallelly in your real life. But only this control over the emotions helps you to portray what you do on the screen. એટલે સ્ક્રીન ઉપર જે પરફોર્મ કરવાનું હોય એના માટે the control of emotions, the control of your body language, because you know, sometimes you might have seen a lot of actors going, you know, very much overboard with an emotion. એટલે કદાચ એ ઓવર એક્ટ આપણે ઘણી વખત એને કહેતા હોઈએ છે, પણ સૌથી અઘરું એ હોય કે એ જગ્યાએ ના પહોંચીએ એના માટે કે how can you just control it, you know. I might want to say that, oh my god, I love you, but then I cannot, and I should not rather. So I think it's about the control of what you give out and abundance of what you take in.
True. With you, Ojas.
I agree. But no, why shouldn't you say I love you? You should. It's
બોલે એના બોર પણ વેચાય અને ન બોલવામાં નવ ગુણ પણ હોય.
એના કરતા બોલી નાખું, બોર વેચાય તો ઠીક ના. Says the person who's never been able to say it. But I completely agree. I think the most important, and I have a different, in fact I was just writing an article about it earlier this morning. It's about, for an actor, I think it is to constantly challenge yourself, constantly try to get out of that comfort zone and just not be in it, because then comfort zone में नहीं रहेंगे तो professionally और personally दो घाटे होते हैं. एक comfort zone में अगर रहो तो दो घाटे हैं. Personally तो ये घाटा है कि आप कभी growth नहीं कर पाओगे, और professionally घाटा ये है कि आप stereotype हो जाओगे, and then you get typecast in those particular roles. So it is very important to have this experimentative vibe in you. So then it's exponential growth of an actor अगर ये नई चीजें करने मिले, and once you are accepting कि भाई हमें experiment करना है, तो પછી જે કિંજલે કીધું છે એ તમે કરી શકો, then you can, you know, go above that factor and acquire that control of emotion, acquire the control of performance.
कुछ ऐसी चीज जो आप कैरेक्टर से सीखना चाहिए. आपने काफी कैरेक्टर्स प्ले किए होंगे और काफी चीजें सीखी होगी अपने कैरेक्टर.
धुम्मस के कैरेक्टर से क्या सीखने मिलेगा? Is that the question?
Your acting career, कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो आप अपने कैरेक्टर से सीखे हैं.
नियत बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है.
नियत और नियति दोनों बहुत
इंसान कैसा भी हो, नियत सही होनी चाहिए. That is my one liner from you know, one liner that I take away from Niyati.
From Akash, don't marry your boss's daughter. Apparently, no. What do I take away from Akash? Don't lay callous, almost careless. So don't put careless and blind faith and trust into anybody.
Yes.
If you do that, you run the risk of losing everything, losing property, losing money, losing that person. So you know, if it comes to a point where there is blind faith or blind trust that goes into somebody, that's, I think, the closest I can take away from Akash without revealing a whole lot of things. So I think that's the takeaway. There's not much to take away from an abusive husband, but I think the counter part is that you shouldn't be an abusive husband. I think you shouldn't be. There should be zero domestic violence, which is मतलब भर भर के है trailer में. Especially that
हाँ,
slap.
that
I've gotten so much crap for
um,
every single
my
person.
God.
वो जितने भी लोग हैं, like they're like, but that slap though. I was like, it hasn't even touched her. I was like, pause the damn video, look at it closely. It's not even touching her. I brushed it past her.
આમ લાફો માર્યો તો અને પછી
Oh.
બધું કરી દીધું તો. Oh my
क्यों?
God.
But yeah, I think these are actually good. But yeah, the character does leave. I think every actor, well, it happens with me. I'm sure it happens with others. But every character leaves something back
Yes.
in you.
Few can
So you tell us, have you watched the film yet?
Yeah.
But
Then we will reverse interview you. Not yet, but do it.
Yes, very
Not
big.
yet. All right.
Since the film is released 23rd November and streaming on Amazon Prime, please go and watch it
Yeah.
soon.
All of y'all, you see, apparently I don't remember if it still exists or no, but maybe the Mitibai people can tell me. There used to be a Mitibai Film Club. Does it still exist?
Yes.
The Film Society?
Yes, Mitterwood is a part of Film Society.
Oh, brilliant. Great. So you all should have a viewing.
Okay. So, something which you would like to change about this industry, the film industry?
Honestly, this time with this film, અને હું કઈ જ અતિશયોક્તિ નથી કરી રહી આમાં, પણ આ વખતે audience has changed a lot for us after this film. કારણ કે out of all the films that that I've worked with or I've been a part with અને જે હજી સુધી રિલીઝ થઈ હોય, પણ આ એક એવી પહેલી ફિલ્મ છે જેના રિવ્યુઝ મને એટલા બધા ગમ્યા છે ને, એટલે એઝ એન ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી, એઝ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ ધીસ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી, એઝ અ પાર્ટ ઓફ ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રી સ્પેસિફિકલી, મને એટલી બધી મજા આવી છે દરેક રિવ્યુ સાંભળવાની, વાંચવાની. ફોર ધ મેટર ઓફ ફેક્ટ કે usually કેવું હોય કે with every film, you know, you have these 3, 4 or maybe 10 very patent and common lines that, oh, a very superb film and you look nice and your pair looks nice and good acting and you know. પણ આ એક પહેલી એવી ફિલ્મ હતી જેની અંદર જેટલા પણ રિવ્યુઝ આવ્યા છે ને, I try every day, I try to share and repost as many reviews as I can. પણ દરેક ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટનું મેન્શન ઓલમોસ્ટ બધા રિવ્યુઝમાં હોય છે. પ્લસ એટલા ડિટેલ્ડ રિવ્યુ છે કે they talk about the story, they talk about the screenplay, they talk about the concept, they talk about music, they talk about performances. એટલે આ બધી વસ્તુઓ છે ને, this has changed our perspective to making like, you know, a bigger cinema next time for the audiences, because એમણે એ રીતે અત્યારે આપણી સાથે જેટલા પણ લોકો લાઈવમાં છે, thank you so much and I really mean it. અને જેટલા પણ લોકોએ, જેટલા પણ ગુજરાતીઝ હોય કે નોન ગુજરાતીઝ હોય, but the love that they have given to this film proves that, you know, you guys are really loving what new things we try. અમે કઈ પણ નવીનતા એક્સપેરિમેન્ટ કરીએ છીએ તો એ તમને ગમે છે. અને સેકન્ડ કે એ અમને હિંમત આપે છે કે we can, you know, still go larger. And કારણ કે એક વસ્તુ આવી કંઈક થ્રિલર જેવું કે આવા સસ્પેન્સ જેવો કોન્સેપ્ટ જો આટલો સરસ રીતે વર્ક કરતો હોય તો it gives us a motivational boost to makers as well, to, you know, to try different concepts ahead. પણ yes, so I think આ ફિલ્મના લાઈવમાં તો હું એવું જ કહીશ કે actually the audiences have changed a lot about Gujarati cinema this time.
But as you said, this film has received a lot of positive reviews. In case कभी अगर कोई negative review आता तो आप उस चीज से डील कैसे करते हैं? How do you overcome that?
I think it is very important કે એવું કહેવું કે મને આ ના ગમ્યું. I frankly, I really like those people. એટલે પછી પેલું એવું just because there are a lot of them that do that give negative reviews to take the attention also, અને ખબર પડી જાય, guys, come on. પણ genuinely જ્યારે કોઈ એક ક્રિટિક હોય કે એક એવા મોટિવ સાથે તમને કોઈ કહે કે મને આ વસ્તુ ન ગમી, તો it is because જો ઇમ્પ્રુવમેન્ટનો સ્કોપ ના હોય તો how do you grow?
Yes.
So there is always, and with every art form there is એ જે 2-5% ખાલી જગ્યા હોય, કોક વખતે ટકાવારી વધારે હોય, પણ એ જે ખાલી જગ્યા હોય એને ફક્ત ને ફક્ત તમારું ક્રિટિક કે તમારું ઓડિયન્સ જ પૂરી શકે. કારણ કે અમે લોકોએ તો આટલી બધી મથામણ કરીને ફિલ્મ બનાવી હોય, રાઈટ? એટલે સો ઇફ અમને લોકોને બધી જ ખબર હોત તો ધ ફિલ્મ વુડ હેવ બીન લાઈક not 100% like of a hit, which is very rare with the global cinema itself. એટલે ખાલી ગુજરાતી ફિલ્મની વાત નથી, કોઈ પણ ફિલ્મ હોય એમાં 2-5% ઉપર નીચે હોય જ, પણ એ 2-5% ઘણી વખત આપણને સ્ટ્રાઇક પણ ન થયા હોય અને કોઈ થર્ડ પર્સપેક્ટિવથી આપણને જાણવા મળે. એટલે આઈ થિંક ઇટ ઇઝ વેરી ઇમ્પોર્ટન્ટ કે યુ ગીવ યોર ઓનેસ્ટ રિવ્યુ. ન ગમે તો પણ એ કહેવાની જે વાત છે એ આઈ એમ રિયલી ઇન ફેવર ઓફ ધેટ.
What about you, Ojas sir?
The change and the negative reviews. As far as change goes, सबसे पहले धर्मेश व्यास हैं, बहुत इंडस्ट्री के होनहार कलाकार, very senior artist. धर्मेश जी केम छो? See you very very soon when I return to India. In fact, I go back and just begin a film with him. But what I want to see the change, which I had to think of because Kinjal stole my answer, is I also want to accept. Like, for example, when I was studying in college in Mumbai, I don't remember taking a ticket and going to watch a Gujarati film in Bombay. Gujarati film lagti પણ નહોતી મુંબઈમાં, જૂજ કોક film લાગતી, પણ હવે તો ઘણી બધી લાગે છે and people are going and taking a ticket to go and watch it. So that's a positive change already. What I want to see a change which has already begun, but it's અત્યારે આમ કહેવાય ને લગભગ it's at the pace of a tortoise. The inhibitions that the producers and makers have with risking a topic like this or like these is something that they should slowly get rid of. These inhibitions and these premonitions that they have कि भाई नहीं कॉमेडो आप हो तो चले, कॉमेडी होगी तो ही हिट होगी, ऐसा नहीं होता है. We've seen a lot of comedy efforts which have gone down the drain and sank worse than the Titanic. So but when you see films like this, when you see like Kindle had a film Kim Cho, which was also not a comedy. That film was not a comedy, it was a social film. तो ऐसी फिल्मों के makers को भी अगर profit होता है तो I really want this message, whoever is seeing this or whoever it reaches out to those producers, to those makers, to those financiers, कि ऐसी फिल्मों को आप अगर support करोगे, the actors are already ready. The actors are always hungry to do different roles and different characters. We have good makers, we have good people, but such films the success of such films proves that there is also an audience for it. अगर Amazon Prime पे पहली digital release होने वाली फिल्म ये है, and if Amazon is picking or selecting something, then it means a whole lot. It says a big thing about the film Dhumas, कि ये फिल्म यहाँ तक पहुंची है और वो कोई भी,
and that too after rejecting so many films in between. There were so many films that they had to, yes,
and to surpass those means a whole lot. I'm sure everybody has efforted enough, but I think it's the let the best person win. तो ये है, तो if it makes it, तो ये producers को धानस बधाना चाहिए कि नहीं, ऐसी फिल्मों को support कर सकते हैं. ऐसी there is that transition that Marathi industry went through also, and it's come to a point where it's like comedy के अलावा के जो topics हैं, that is also something that people will really enjoy and they will really like. Like, we get flooded with DMs and whatnot, like, oh, the plots, oh, the twists, and as Kinjal said, the domino effect, the dominoes effect bhi aata hai, it keeps people engaged, keeps people on their edge of their seats. So that is something, अगर ये कर सकते हैं, लिखावट में अगर ये दम है, अदाकारी में अगर दम है, ये हिदायतकार जो डायरेक्टर्स होते हैं उनमें अगर ये दम है, तो आई एम श्योर सिर्फ मेकर्स की कमी रह जाती है. बट मेकर्स ऐसे चुनिंदा हैं, एंड वी रियली वांट अदर मेकर्स तो हैं, प्रोड्यूसर्स भी हैं. तो द चेंज दैट आई वांट टू सी इज फॉर मोर मेकर्स टू बी विलिंग टू accept and do something like this. There is the question was that how do you deal with negative feedback or whatever. Like, just it's how you take it is what matters, and how you learn from it. Somebody in this live, they were like, oh, the self-proclaimed Ojas Rawal, who says he's a comedian, is nothing but screaming loudly on stage and calling it jokes. Now that it almost made me laugh. I was actually going to laugh in the middle of this live, but I didn't. But it's how you take it. Now, if I go and, like, oh, I'm going to take the screenshot that and report that I did to cybercrime for hazing and bullying and whatnot, that's one thing. But then it also makes me think like, do I have other stand-up comedy bits which don't have that? So it makes me wonder that, and then maybe I can do those. So it's how much you learn from it. Negative feedback is always good. लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल हम हमारे इंडस्ट्री में जो प्रीमियर्स होते हैं तो प्रीमियर्स के बाद तो जो फीडबैक आता है इंडस्ट्री के अंदर से ही, तो दैट्स हिलेरियस. लाइक ऐसी ऐसी मत किया करो ऐसा वाहियात काम जो तुम करके आए हो. It's like because they're near and dear ones. But negative feedback is only to be taken constructively. I'm saying negative feedback. I'm not saying trolling. Because trolls just get attention. That as Kinjal correctly said, it's just grabbing attention and grabbing some eyeballs. So trollers to theek hai wo rahenge. And those who want to see the joy that I have with troll killing, ek savagery karke maine highlights folder banaya hai. Go and read that. You will have a hearty laugh.
But one last thing about this film on this question is touch black પણ genuinely અત્યાર સુધી મને ધુમ્મસનો એક પણ feedback negative નથી મળ્યો. Yes, there have been a lot of critical શું કહેવાય observations that people have made. એ લોકોએ કદાચ એ લોકોએ પ્રશ્નો કર્યા છે કે આવું કેમ, આ શું, પેલું શું. પણ કોઈએ એક પણ રિવ્યુ મેં મારા કોઈ પણ, કારણ કે I've been reading so many messages all day through. And because it was an Amazon release and it is not there out on the big screens, એટલે I wanted to make sure કે આ film મારા પ્રોફાઇલ થી પણ જેટલી વધારે પહોંચે લોકો સુધી એટલો મેં પ્રયત્ન હું કરું જ છું હજી પણ એ બધા જ પ્રયત્નોમાં મેં ક્યાંય પણ એવું નથી વાંચ્યું કે this is not a good film or કે આ ભંગાર film છે કે આ આવી નથી, કઈ મજા ના આવી. Not one single review which goes on that note. So that is something that really makes me happy, and for real.
Yeah.
I wish Dumas receives all the best reviews possible and all the success. Also, one last question: would you want to give some advice to the students of Mature and all the aspiring young actors who wish to join this industry in future?
Sorry. Can you repeat the question? I
Like some advice to all the young aspiring actors who would want to join this and
yes, but there is one thing that just be, because most of the times what happens is whenever I meet aspiring actors or people who want to become an actor, they actually believe that हमें actor बनना है. Stop thinking कि आपको actor बनना है. Start thinking that you already are an actor. Because there is a very thin line difference in becoming an actor and being one. I think it takes a lot of dedication, discipline, focus, and control over your passion when you want to become an actor. Because there are and one very, very, very important thing, that learn to handle rejections. And when I say that when you have to handle rejections, you also have to accept them. Because most of the times what happens is like 10 projects માંથી પણ આપણને કોઈ કાઢી મૂકે ને તો our passion can never be as small as a project, because passion is a huge word. So if you are really passionate about becoming an actor or being one, just go and just be. There is no other because and being a filmy person in and out, I do believe in the fact that किसी दिल को सच्चे किसी चीज को सच्चे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने की कोशिश साजिश में जुड़ जाती है, कोशिश में लग जाती है, something like that. But it is actually true for whatever you aspire to become. Be, just that's it.
for you, Ojas sir.
Once again, it just adds a different aspect to what she's already correctly said. To those aspiring actors, and to the filmmakers. But I think more because since you have asked about the actors, uh, with the knowledge that काम करना hai, it is, it is a profession. It is not just for shits and giggles. It's a profession that is very serious. But be patient and persistent. तो हाँ, पहले तो ये सोचना बंद कर दो कि एक्टर बनोगे, एक्टर हो, ये सोचना शुरू कर दो. और be patient and be persistent. In a world, we live in a world where quick gratification is very important. Immediate feedback या immediate acceptance नहीं मिलता है, तो I think we have lost patience a lot, especially जो आज का generation है. The majority of those, they want quick, सारा ही कुछ, everything is quick, everything. Food is one click away, meeting friends is one click away, ordering products is one click away. So everything is just very quick. Similarly, they think success is also one click away. तो वो नहीं होना चाहिए. There are, I mean, you can look at a countless number of people. You can look at anywhere from Vidya Balan, you can look at Squid Games, to all those where it took a lot of rejections, it took a lot of time, but as she said, passion is too huge for just one project. So persistence भी मांग लेता है, but I think passion हो तो फिर persistent होते ही हो आप. You continue to be with it. અને એ જો તમે કર્યા જ કરો તો પછી તમને એ સંઘર્ષ હોય, સફળતાનો જે રસ્તો છે એ સંઘર્ષથી જ જાય છે. એટલે એ તમે સંઘર્ષ ના કરો તો પછી એ સફળતા જેટલી જલ્દી આવી છે એટલી જ જલ્દી જતી બી રહેશે. But if you persevere, and if you're just persistent and waiting for something that will come along your way, but with I'm not saying just sit at home like, ओजस ने लाइव में बोला था मीठी उड़ के, I have full on, किंजल ने बोला था पैशन, तो पूरा पैशन भर के है मेरे में, और बोला था पेशेंट रहो, तो मैं बस पेशेंट बन के बैठा हूँ घर पे. એટલે पेशेंट बन के नहीं बैठना है. You have to make sure that you do something about it. Go join a theater troupe, go join places where you can showcase and exercise the ability to fine tune your acting muscles. And then once you have mastered the craft, or once you're at least learning the craft, then opportunities will start opening up, be it theater, be it television, be it ads, be it films. तो कहीं ना कहीं पे ये options मिलते जाएंगे. And once you have those, then an actor खिल सकते हैं. तो फिर वो अंदर का जो एक्टर है वो खिल देता है. एंड इट इज अ वेरी क्रूअल इंडस्ट्री. हमारी इंडस्ट्री जल्दी इन अ प्रोजेक्ट और टू बता देती है कि वेदर यू वर्क और नॉट.
And honest, it's very, I'm usually જો ને કેવું લાગતું હોય બહુ જ બધા લોકોને કે ઓ तुम તો એક્ટર હો, તમને તો જલસા છે ને આવું બધું. પણ એક ખરેખર it is no different.
आओ किसी दिन हवेली पे.
કોર્પોરેટ, હા આઈ નો, એ કોર્પોરેટ જોબ હોય કે દુનિયામાં કઈ પણ કામ હોય ને એ સહેલું ન હોય. અને એક્ટિંગ નું તો નહીં જ, કારણ કે રોજ મેકઅપ કરવો પડે.
અને 12 કલાક. It's a 12-hour shift.